Hello, viewers and my dear students. Good day and good wishes. I am Professor D. Rabindo N. Arkasali, an associate professor working in Maharani's Commerce and Management College for Women, Mysore. Now, I am going to handle the subject financial management. Before going to start, actually, we must know the importance of financial management in practical life. Of course, we are the students of commerce and management. We have to study the knowledge relating to any area of business and management. Management has many branches like financial management, production management, human resource management, and marketing management, etc. etc. Finance is the lifeblood of an individual, an organization, and a nation. We know that money and money's worth to be considered as financial resources. They are so useful for our day to day life, and everything is measured in terms of money and money only. And in our business, we generally consider this as the main resource and the capital. As you know already, financial resources are basic resources for fundamental resources for utilizing other resources, that is the resources of men, money, machines, materials, methods, and management, etc. etc. In practical life, not only in BCom course or BBA course, financial management is so useful for CA students, CS students, cost and management accountants, and other such professional bodies related to business and management. After pursuing of BCom course, you can study MCom in financial management, MBA in financial management, or you can go for postgraduate studies or post graduation diploma in financial management, financial services, international finance, etc. etc. Even financial management has so many areas like stock markets, mutual funds, venture capital, banking, and it has the areas of portfolio management, venture capital, and it can be applied to any areas of business and any areas of management. And in our day to day practical life, it is quite but natural that we have to manage the money we possess. We have to use it properly, optimally, and the best use of money itself is very important. Maybe for an individual or maybe for an organization, even for a nation, it should be properly and fully utilized. There should not be waste of money. The best economic use of money will really, it helps us to generate profit, generate wealth, etc. Therefore, understanding the importance of financial management, even it can be used for hire purchase system, installments system. It can be used in accounting purpose. So the knowledge of money market, capital market, that is financial market, etc., really useful for any uh, person. So, with the background of all these practical relevance, we can say that the financial management, the study of financial management, the knowledge of financial management is applied in our day to day life. Therefore, it is a applied branch of knowledge, and everyone has to possess the knowledge of financial resources, and therefore in totally we can consider this as the financial management. So as a student of financial management, we must know the various contents, various areas, various methods, principles, tools, techniques used for our decision making in our day to day life or in any organization or so far as country is concerned. And therefore, now we can conclude this basic aspect related to financial management. Please do remember you can pursue MBA in finance, which is most employable opportunity in the industry. Even MCOM in the financial management or postgraduate diploma in financial management. Those courses after graduation are really useful. It helps for even CA, CS, IMA, like any professional body of management areas. Yeah, even financial consultancy service is also an important area which can be useful for any students of BCom, BBA, MCom, MBA, CA, CS, and CMA, etc., etc. With this, I conclude this topic, and we can wait for next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.